All right, guys. So I just got this LoveVook bag, and I am in love. So y'all see it. First of all, I like the colors. It's nice and fun. Okay. Lightweight, easy. If you don't have anything, you just need to take it somewhere. Easily foldable like this. But come with all of these departments. So you got your back portion right here. And I travel a lot. And so sometimes I like to pack light, but not so light. Like I like to take all my stuff with me, but not feel like I got a whole bunch of luggage. I just don't like traveling with a whole bunch of luggage. And this kind of does the trick for me. So it has your back component right here. Y'all see that? Love it, love it. And it's waterproof, FYI. So, let's see, flip these around. Yeah, these flip around like so. And you can carry it on the side, like it's easily maneuverable. Has this little back portion right here for like your laptop and things like that. And then it has this portion, which I really love. Like, you have this little front area right here. So these are two separate portions, right? You got your front area right here for like any additional needs. But then you have your side portion, and it opens up all the way like that. I love it. You can put all your toiletries. You can put your clothes in here. They lock up, or your shoes. Lock it up right here. This is an extra bag that comes with it. Ain't that something? And you open this bag up, and you got another bag. Fire, fire. These are separate bags that you can just use. It comes with, this is a toiletry bag. So works with the airport. If you take it out, it's see-through. Love it, love it, love it. This bag right here literally comes with any and everything that you need in a bag. You could carry it on a plane, so it's the size of a carry-on. So if it's right up in that size, and you can hold so much in this one bag. Like literally, if I'm taking a 2, 3, even a 4-day trip, as long as it's not like I'm wearing suits, a bunch of suits or anything like that. If I'm going on vacation or something where I got light stuff and I'm wearing linen and silk, I could put all that stuff in this bag and I'll be perfectly fine for a multitude of days. So I'm going to give this bag a 10 out of 10. I love it. LoveVook is also a great company. I have some of their other products as well, and they're just a very, very good company. If you something wrong with your bag, you can call customer service. They'll get you another. They really will like fix your issue. So this bag is a 10 out of 10 for me, guys. All right. So love it. Peace.